Happy Easter. So Dad's in the kitchen today, as you might have noticed.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is, it was Mummy's birthday last week, and so we surprised her with dinner. Now we needed something that she'd love, something that was delicious for dessert, really nice and sweet, but also something really easy because Daddy was in charge, so it had to be easy. But the kids and I made some strawberry tarts. And so we're going to recreate them for you here. Super simple, just 4 ingredients, and you make them very easily. We put them in the fridge. In the time that you've eaten dinner, they're ready. So they're a really great meal you can make. So Jack, what have we got ingredient-wise?
So we have little tart shells, some strawberries, some strawberry jam, and some strawberry jelly.
Perfect, simple as that. Okay, so I've got my kettle boiled already. So I'm gonna start on the jelly, just follow the ingredients on the jelly. Kids are gonna slice up those strawberries like last time. So remember, you just wanna slice the strawberries into nice small little chunks. So you kids wanna get started on that? I'll get this jelly rolling.
Alright, so look at this one, nice and juicy.
Now obviously kids with knives, so we're keeping a nice close eye on everything. That's it, Jack.
Also guys, don't forget to wash your hands before cooking. Alright, so you want to cut off the green ends.
I washed my face, so does that count as washing my hands? Because I put it on my hands.
Both.
And then you cut it in half, like this. And then...
I did 6 at once.
Excellent.
And then wait, was it like this?
Oh.
Yeah, darling, whatever,
Oh.
however you want to cut them up is perfectly
And then what I
fine.
like to do is cut them out again.
Look at the top of this one.
So look at Alright, this one.
Little nuggety top.
Is this too big? Oh.
Yeah, a little bit, about half of that again, darling.
Alright.
So the smaller the chunks, the better. Because we're going to put them into these little tarts. So what we're going to do is, to construct the tart shells, you're going to have the little tart shell, a little dollop of jam on the base, and then put all the strawberries, the fresh strawberries around it. The jam will hold everything together. And then the jelly, we're going to spoon over the top. It's going to hold everything together. So that's going to hold the strawberries in there. And then, as I said, we pop them in the fridge, pull them out after dinner for dessert. A little bit of whipped cream on top, and they're going to be amazing. So how you doing, kids?
Good.
Good? All right, let's get chopping. We're going to chop up some more strawberries. I'm going to stir this jelly, and we're going to see you soon.
Alright.
All right. So jelly's setting, it's just cooling down. Strawberries all chopped up. Now we've got the tart shells out, we've got them on a little plate. So we're going to set up a little assembly line. So Jack is going to put a little dollop of jam on the bottom of each tart shell. Oshi's going to put the strawberries on top, and then I'm just going to spoon in the strawberry jelly. So let's get started. Hey kids, Jack, you start there.
Just put my hand up.
Now while we're starting, Jack, do you have a good Easter joke?
Why did the farmer give their little rabbit an Easter egg for Easter?
Why?
Why?
Because it's Easter, and he's the Easter bunny.
Of course. How did I not know?
Yeah.
And kids, what did you do for Easter?
So, this morning I had a bit of a sleep in, but Jack and our mum, they went Easter egg hunting.
Yes.
And did you like it, Jack?
Yes.
Well, I was asleep. And we have some chocolates over here, as you can see.
Great.
And oh my gosh, they are so delicious. Got a big rabbit. Jack's got an R2D2 chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds amazing, right?
And it's a beautiful day outside too.
It is an amazing day. So, almost done. We're going to pop these in the fridge, as I said, and they will be ready in about 10-15 minutes. We're going to come back, We'll try them. We'll pop some little whipped cream on top,
Yum.
so they're delicious. But these are definitely going to be ready for dessert tonight after dinner. So simple as that, guys. Well done.
Thank you.
Bam, bam. All right, we'll see you in about 10 minutes.
Bye. We're done.
We're done. Okay, so as I said, I mean, you're going to leave these in the fridge while you're eating dinner and that. They could probably use a little bit longer, but they're done enough for us to taste test them, obviously.
Can't wait.
Leftover jelly and strawberry into some cups for Jack. That's going to be your, what, afternoon tea
Jack
or whatever, I think. And just as a little extra, okay, we've got a little bit of whipped cream. So, Oshi, Jack, why don't you choose one each?
Alright,
I will have this.
That one, well, let me cream it. Hang on. Pop it. Yeah. There we go.
and also
Cream
guys,
whipped.
another idea too, maybe you could put custard with it. Maybe?
There we
You
go.
think that'd be a good
No,
idea?
that's called cream whipped.
Cream whipped.
Cream
Is-
whipped.
2.
Nice.
All right. Awesome.
And also guys, you can have custard with it, ice cream, whatever you want.
Yeah. Just gonna eat the cream, Jack.
Yeah.
All right. How'd we do?
Oh. I'm going on my nose. It is so good. The pastry is amazing. The jelly, the strawberry, and the cream just makes it even better.
I didn't have the pastry.
Yeah, I know. You've still got yours in the tin foil. Can I take the tin foil outfit? There we go.
10 out of 10.
Perfect. So simple, so easy, and the kids can do them. They can get involved. Like I said, we did this last week for Mummy's birthday, and it was just perfect. It was a surprise for her. We sent her out into the garden, and she comes back, and lunch, roast, veggies, and dessert all made super simple. So, what do you reckon, guys?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below any ideas what we should make. Comment down below what you've been doing on the holidays, Easter, all that.
All that. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.